हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सक्सेस अचीवर्स पॉइंट। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे यूजीसी एनटीए नेट में पूछे गए प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चंस के जो कि रिसर्च एप्टीट्यूड से हैं। 2012 से लेकर के 2018 तक के एग्ज़ाम्स में पूछे गए रिसर्च एप्टीट्यूड के क्वेश्चंस हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे इस वीडियो में। एंड आई होप दिस वीडियो इज़ रियली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू in your upcoming UGC NET NTA NET exam, which is going to be conducted in the month of June. So इस वीडियो को प्लीज़ शुरू से आखिर तक ज़रूर देखिएगा और इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा सो दैट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों की एस्पिरेंट्स की जो एग्ज़ाम देने जा रहे हैं हेल्प हो सके। सो लेट्स बिगिन। पहले दिसंबर 2012 से क्वेश्चंस। First question is, which of the following is an indicator of the quality of research journal? A. Impact factor. B. High index, H index. C. Z index. D. I10 index. So the right answer is impact factor A. Next question is, good research ethic means A. Not disclosing the holding of shares or stocks in a company that sponsors your research. B. Assigning a particular research problem to one PhD or research student only. C. Discussing with your colleague confidential data from research paper that you are reviewing for an academic journal. D. Submitting the same manuscript for publishing in more than one journal. So the right answer is B. Assigning a particular research problem to one PhD or research student only. Next question is, which of the following sampling method is based on probability? A. Convenience sampling. B. Quota sampling. C. Judgment sampling. D. Stratified sampling. So the right answer is D. Stratified sampling is based on probability. Next question is, which one of the following reference is written according to American Psychological Association APA format? So friends, अगर आप इसको देखेंगे so the right answer is A, यानी कि इस फॉर्मेट में जो है अमेरिकन साइकोलॉजिकल एसोसिएशन फॉर्मेट जो है इस फॉर्मेट में होता है। शर्मा कॉमा वी फुल स्टॉप within the bracket 2010 full stop fundamentals of computer science full stop New Delhi colon Tata McGraw Hills। और जो रेस्ट ऑफ द आंसर्स है वो सही नहीं है, यानी कि राइट आंसर इज ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग स्टेप ऑफ रिसर्च इन करेक्ट सीक्वेंस। 1. Identification of research problem. 2. Listing of research objectives. 3. Collection of data. 4. Methodology. 5th is data analysis and 6th is result and discussion. So from the course given below, the right answer is B. Next question is, identify the correct statement. A. A hypothesis is made on the basis of limited evidence as a starting point for further investigation. B. A hypothesis is a basis for reasoning without any assumption of its truth. C. Hypothesis is a proposed explanation for phenomena. D. A scientific hypothesis is a scientific theory. So the right answer is D. A scientific hypothesis is a scientific theory. Next is questions from June 2013. First question comes here from the research aptitude is A. A research paper A is a compilation of information on a topic. B. Contains original research as deemed by the author. C. Contains peer-reviewed original research or the evaluation of research conducted by others. D. Can be published in more than one journal. So the right answer is C. Contains peer-reviewed original research or the evaluation of research conducted by the others. Next question is, Which of the following belongs to the category of good research ethics? A. Publishing the same paper in two research journals without telling the editor. B. Conducting the review of the literature that acknowledges the contribution of other people in the relevant field or relevant prior work. C. Trimming out clears from a data set without discussing your reasons in research paper. D. Including a colleague as an author on a research paper in return for a favor even though the colleague did not make a serious contribution to the paper. So the right answer is B. Next question is, which of the following sampling method is not based on probability? A. Simple random sampling. B. Stratified sampling. C. Quota sampling. D. Cluster sampling. So the right answer is C. Quota sampling. Next question is, which one of the following reference is written as per modern language as association MLA format? So for this, the right answer is D. You can see the format of this. Okay. Next question is, so the next question is, friends, a workshop is A. A conference for discussion on a topic. B. A meeting for discussion on a topic. C. A class at a college or a university in which a teacher and student discuss a topic. D. A brief intensive course for a small group emphasizing the development of a skill or a technique for solving a specific problem. So the right answer is D. Next question is, working hypothesis is a proven hypothesis for an argument. B. Not required to be tested. C. Provisionally accepted hypothesis for further research. D. A scientific theory. So the right answer is C. A provisionally accepted hypothesis for further research. Next, from June 2013, जो कि कंडक्ट हुआ था सितंबर 2013 में, जो जून में जो एग्ज़ाम हुआ था 2013 में, वही एग्ज़ाम दोबारा से रिकंडक्ट हुआ, यानी कि उसको कैंसिल करके दोबारा से रिकंडक्ट हुआ सितंबर 2013 में. उससे कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं. ए इज़, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नॉट अ टाइप ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंटल मेथड? ए. सिंगल ग्रुप एक्सपेरिमेंट. बी. रेजिडुअल ग्रुप एक्सपेरिमेंट. सी. पैरेलल ग्रुप एक्सपेरिमेंट. D. Rational group experiment. So the right answer is B. Residual group experiment. Next question is, which one of the following is not the non-parametric test? A. T-test. B. Sign test. C. chi-square test. D. Run test. So the right answer is A. T-test. T-test is non-parametric test. Next question is, read the following sentences, one labeled as assertion and another as reason. For this, assertion A, qualitative research in India has a long way to go to reach international standards. Reason, because the finding agencies do not support qualitative research in academic institutions. For this, find the correct answer from the code given below. A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is true but R is false. And D, both A and R are false. So the right answer is C, A is true but R is false. Right? Next comes the question, identify the correct sequence of research. A, selection of topic, review of literature, data collection and interpretation of findings. B, review of literature, selection of topic, data collection and interpretation of findings. C, selection of topic, data collection, review of literature and interpretation of findings. D, selection of topic, review of literature, interpretation of findings and data collection. So the right answer is selection of topic, review of literature data collection and interpretation of findings. Next question is, deconstruction is a popular method of research in A. Basic science, B. Applied science, C. Social science, and D. Literature. So the right answer is literature. Next question is, with that one of the following techniques community is associated with: A. Univariate analysis, B. Factor analysis, C. Case studies, D. SWOT analysis. So for this the right answer is factor analysis, B. Next question is, the variable that impact the relationship between an independent variable and dependent variable is known as A. Antecedent variable, B. Precedent variable, C. Predictor variable, D. Control variable. So the right answer is D. Control variable. Next question is, which one of the following is a non-probability sampling method? A. Simple random sampling, B. Stratified sampling, C. Cluster sampling, D. Quota sampling. So the right answer is quota sampling. Rest of the sampling methods are probability sampling methods, but D is the answer, that is quota sampling is non-probability sampling method. Next, from December 2013. Here comes the first question, which is the main objective of research? A. To review the literature, B. To summarize what is already known, C. To get an academic degree, D. To discover new facts or to make fresh interpretation of known facts. So the right answer is D. To discover new facts or to make fresh interpretation of known facts. Next question is, sampling error decrease with the A. Decrease in the sample size, B. Increase in sample size, C. Process of randomization, D. Process of analyzing. So the right answer is B. Increase in sample size. जब sample size increase होगा तो sampling error जो है कम हो जाएगी, यानी कि decrease हो जाएगी. Next question is, the principle of fundamental research are used in A. Action research, B. Applied research, C. Philosophical research, D. Historical research. So the right answer is B. Applied research. Next question is, the sequential operation in scientific research are A. Covariation, elimination of spurious relations, generalization and theorization, B. Generalization, covariation, theorization and elimination of spurious relations, and C is theorization, generalization and elimination of spurious relations, covariation, D. Elimination of spurious relations, theorization and generalization and covariation. So the right answer is A. Covariation, elimination of spurious relations, generalization and theorization. Next question is, in sampling the lottery method is used for interpretation, B. Theorization, C. Conceptualization, D. Randomization. So the right answer is D. Randomization. Next, questions from December 2014. So from December 2014, the first question is, when planning to do as social research, it is better to A is approach the topic with open mind, B. Do a pilot study before getting stuck into it, C. Be familiar with literature on the topic, D. Forget a theory because this is a very practical. So the right answer is C. Be familiar with literature on the topic. Next question is, when academicians are called to deliver lecture or presentation to an audience on certain topics or a set of topics of educational nature, it is called A. Training program, B. Seminar, C. Workshop, D. Symposium. So the right answer is B, seminar. Next question is the core element of a dissertation are A. Introduction, data collection, data analysis, conclusion and recommendation. B. Executive summary, literature review, data gathered, conclusion, bibliography. C. Research plan, research data analysis, references. D. Introduction, literature review, research methodology, result, discussion and conclusion. So the right answer is D. Next question is, what is research design? A. A way of conducting research that is not grounded in theory. B. The choice between using qualitative or quantitative methods. C. The style in which you present your research finding, example, a graph. D. A framework for every stage of the collection and analysis of data. So the right answer is D. A framework for every stage of the collection, analysis of data. Next question is, sampling cases means A. Sampling using a sampling frame. B. Identifying people who are suitable for research. C. Literally the researcher's briefcase. D. Sampling of people, newspaper, television program, etc. So the right answer is D. Next question is, the frequency distribution of a research data which is systematical in shape, similar to normal distribution but center peak is much higher, is A. Skewed, B. Mesocortic, C. Leptocortic, D. Platycortic. So the right answer is C. Leptocortic. Next, questions from December 2015. First question, which of the following statement is not true in the context of participatory research? A. It recognizes knowledge as power. B. It emphasizes on people as experts. C. It is collective process of inquiry. D. Its sole purpose is production of knowledge. So the right answer is A. It recognizes knowledge as power. So the I think the answer for this is D. Its sole purpose is production of knowledge is not true. The correction I want for that answer. Next question is, which of the following statement is not true in context of the testing of hypothesis? A. It is the only alternative hypothesis that can be tested. B. It is only the null hypothesis that can be tested. And C. Both the alternative and null hypothesis can be tested. D. Both the alternative and null hypothesis can be tested. So the right answer is, it is only the null hypothesis that can be tested. So B is the answer. Friends, there is a little correction in it before this question's answer. It is इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा आंसर इसका ये है कि it recognizes knowledge as power, right? उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो है, which of the following are the basic rule of APA style of reference format? A. Italize little titles of shorter works such as journal and articles or essays. B. Invert author name, last name first. C. Italize titles of longer works such as books, journals. And D. Alphabetically index references. So the right answer is A. Right. After that, July 2016. Here is the first question. Format of thesis writing is the same as in A. Preparation of a research paper or article. B. Writing of seminar presentation. C. A research dissertation. And D. Presenting a workshop or conference. So the right answer is C. Next is, in qualitative research paradigm, which of the following feature may be considered critical? Data collection, and that is standardized research tool. B. Sampling design with probability sampling technique. C. Data collection with bottom-up empirical evidence. D. Data gathering to take place with top-down systematic evidence. So the right answer is C. Next question is, from the following list of statements, identify the set which has negative implications for research ethics. A. A researcher critically looks at the finding of another research. B. Related studies are cited without proper references. C. Conduct of practitioner is screened in terms of reported research evidence. D. A research study is replicated with a view to verify the evidences from other research. E. Both policy making and policy implementation process are regulated in terms of preliminary studies. So the answer from the code is C. B, D, F. Next question is, in a research on the effect of child rearing practice on stress proneness of children in completing the school project, the hypothesis formulated is that child rearing practice do influence the stress proneness. At the data analysis stage, or null hypothesis is advanced to find out the tenability of research hypothesis on the basis of the evidence available, or null hypothesis is rejected at 0.01 level of significance. What decision may be arranged in respect of the research hypothesis? जो इसका मतलब ये है कि जो भी उन्होंने कंडक्ट किया था वो नल हाइपोथेसिस जो है कितने लेवल पे रिजेक्ट हुई है, 0.01 लेवल पे. सो तो आंसर है इसका ए. द रिसर्च हाइपोथेसिस विल ऑल्सो बी रिजेक्टेड. B. The research hypothesis will be accepted. C. Both the research hypothesis and null hypothesis and the null hypothesis will be rejected. And D is, no decision can be taken in respect of the research hypothesis. So right answer is for this is B. The research hypothesis will be accepted. Next is, the researchers intend to explore the effect of possible factors for the organization of effective midday meal interventions. Which research method will be most appropriate for this study? So the right answer is historical method. Descriptive survey method. C. Experimental method. D. Ex post facto method. So the right answer is D. Ex post facto method. Next is, which of the following is an initial mandatory requirement for pursuing research? A. Developing a research design. B. Formulating a research question. C. Deciding about the data analysis procedure. And D. Formulating a research hypothesis. तो right answer is formulating a research question. सबसे पहले research question formulate होगा. Next is January 2017 से है. जनवरी 2017 का जो है, लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्कूल कंडक्ट्स एन इंटरव्यू सेशन ऑफ टीचर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स विद अ व्यू टू एक्सप्लोर द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ देयर एनहेंस्ड पार्टिसिपेशन इन स्कूल programmers. Which type of research does this endeavor related to? A. Evaluation research, B. Fundamental research, C. Action research, D. Applied research. So the right answer is C. Action research. Next question is, in doing action research, what is the usual sequence of steps? A. Reflect, observe, plan, act. B. Plan, act, observe, reflect. C. Plan, reflect, observe, act. D. Act, observe, plan, reflect. So the right answer is B. Plan, act, observe and reflect. Next question is, which sequence of research step is logical in the following list? A. Problem formulation, analysis, development of research design, hypothesis making, collection of data, arriving at generalization and conclusion. B. Development of research design, hypothesis making, problem formulation, data analysis, arriving at conclusions and data collection. C. Problem formulation, hypothesis making, development of a research design, a collection of data, data analysis and formulation on generalization and conclusion. D. Problem formulation, deciding about the sampling and data collection tools, formulation of hypothesis, collection and interpretation of research evidence. So the right answer is C. Next question is, the following are two sets, research methods set 1 and the data collection tools set 2. Match the two sets and indicate your answer by selecting the correct code. A. Experimental method, B. Ex post facto method, C. Descriptive survey method, D. Historical method. For that, options are in set 2, using primary secondary sources, questionnaires, second, third is standardized test, fourth is typical characteristics test. So the right answer is B. Next question is, the issue of research ethics may be considered pertinent at which stage of research? A. At the stage of problem formulation and its definition. B. At the stage of defining the population of research. C. At the stage of data collection and interpretation. D. At the stage of reporting the findings. So the right answer is C. Next question is, in which of the following reporting format is formally prescribed? A. Doctoral level thesis, B. Conference of researchers, C. Workshop and seminar, D. Symposia. The right answer is A. Doctoral level thesis. Next is questions from November 2017. First question is, which of the following research type focuses on ameliorating the prevailing situation? A. Fundamental research, B. Applied research, C. Action research, D. Experimental research. So the right answer is C. Action research. Next question, are research attempts to evaluate the effects of methods of feeding on anxiety proneness of children? Which method of research would be appropriate for this? A. Case study method, B. Experimental method, C. Ex post facto method, D. Survey method. So the right answer is C. Ex post facto method. Next question is, in which of the following arrangements a wider spectrum of ideas and issues may be made possible? A. Research article, B. Workshop mode, C. Conference, D. Symposium. So the right answer is C. Conference. Next question is, in finalizing a thesis writing format, which of the following would form part of supplementary pages? A. List of tables and figures, B. Table of contents, C. Conclusion of the study, D. Bibliography and appendices. So the right answer is D. Next question is, which of the following is susceptible to the issues of research ethics? A. Inaccurate application of statistical techniques, B. Faulty research design, C. Choice of sampling techniques, D. Reporting of research findings. The right answer is D. Next, questions from July 2018. First question is, there are two sets given below. A. Set 1 is specify the type of research, while the set 2 indicates their characteristics. Match the two and given your answers by selecting the appropriate code. Set 1, research type, fundamental research, A. B. applied research, C action research, D evaluation research. Set 2 is finding out the extent of perceived impact of an intervention. Second is developing an effective explanation through theory building. Third is improving an existing situation through use of interventions. Fourth is exploring the possibilities of theory for use in various situations. Fifth is enhancing technological resources. So right answer from the from this is I think this is missing, I think, the answers options. So I will add the answers in the description box. You can see that answer from there. Next is, which of the set of activities best indicate the cyclic nature of action research strategy? A, reflect, observe, plan, act. B, observe, act, reflect, plan. C, act, plan, observe, reflect. D, plan, act, observe, reflect. So the right answer is plan, act, observe, reflect. D is the answer for this question. Next question is, which of the following sequence of research steps is nearer to scientific methods? A, suggesting solutions of the problem, deducting the sequences of the solution, perceiving the problem situation, location of the difficulty and testing the solution. B, perceiving the problem situation, locating the actual problem and its definition, hypothesis and action. C, defining a problem, identifying the causes of the problem, defining a population, drawing a sample, collecting data and analyzing result. D, identifying the causal effects and defining the problem, developing a hypothesis, selecting a sample, collecting data and arriving at the generalization and conduction. So the right answer is B. Next question is, the problem of research ethics is concerned with which aspect of research activities? A, following the prescribed format of a thesis. B, data analysis through qualitative or quantitative techniques. C, defining the population of research. D, evidence-based research reporting. So the right answer is D, evidence-based research reporting. Next and last question is, in which of the following activities potential for nurturing creative and critical thinking is relatively greater? A, preparing research summary. B, presenting a seminar paper. C, participation in research conference. D, participation in a workshop. So the right answer is participation in research conference. So friends, this is the video for today. I hope ये वीडियो आपको काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगी आपके अपकमिंग एग्ज़ाम के लिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.